Hi guys, welcome to Sticker Sand Vibe channel. Today we're going to make a cute little crab together. Let's grab our sand and start coloring it. Did you know? Crabs live in the ocean and they walk sideways. They have two big claws to eat and to protect themselves. And some crabs can even hide under the sand, like tiny magicians. Now, let's make our happy crab full of colors and smiles. And now, if you want to make me super happy, just use your little finger and hit that subscribe button. Every time you subscribe, a shiny star lights up in my sandy sky. So don't forget, subscribe and stay with me in the world of sand and colors. See you in the next video.